This rubber seal clips onto the hood along here. We know that because this brace is not actually in the center of the hood, it's over to one side. We have 3 holes here and 4 holes on this side. So we know it's gonna go on like this. The question is, does it go on the front or does it go on the back? And then which way do the clips go through? When I look at the old one, the clips went through this side. So it was clearly on the front on this car. But what's odd, I think this has to do with the controls that were in place back in the day were perhaps not very good, but the 71 Charger, which appears to be unmolested to me, is the opposite. Instead of being on the front, it's on the back, and the clips are coming from the back side. So let's go look at that real quick. Yeah, here it's on the back and the clips are going forward. All right, so most everything I've seen, this goes in from the front side. So that's how we're gonna do it here. And by the way, the loop portion of it faces forward. Off camera here, this area was a little bit longer, so I had to trim it off. I basically trimmed enough off so the distance between the hole and the edge was the same as this side, and obviously fits inside the hood. That's how it goes on.